Trucking accidents, they're not just bigger car accidents, they're way more complex. And you need to hire a lawyer who understands that you can't treat a trucking accident like a car accident or else your case is doomed. Now let's break down why trucking accidents are more unique and why they need a different approach. If you find this helpful, please subscribe so you never miss the steps that'll protect your health and your case. Hey, I'm Rob Hartigan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Boston, Massachusetts. In trucking accidents, they are some of the most complex accident cases to handle. Now, trucking companies, they have a ton of money. So once they hear that there's been a major accident, they're going to send out their team right away, and it's going to include people who are able to pull the black box data, any other information or data that could be used to help defend their case. They're going to go get witness statements. They're going to do everything that they can to protect themselves. And in these cases, the injuries are usually pretty severe to catastrophic. And that could be from broken bones, paralysis, traumatic brain injury, death. So you can bet that the trucking companies, they're going to be there right away to make sure that they can do what they can to protect their interests and not yours. And it's not like a car accident where it's a fender bender. There's a lot at stake, and you could be talking about 8 figures in damages when it comes to a trucking accident. Let me give you an example of where a dash cam can be really important for a case. So I saw a case where it was dash cam inside the truck, focused on the driver, and you could see the driver falling asleep while he's driving, and he's asleep a few minutes before the accident. And so that footage is very crucial because now you can look at it and say, okay, well, how many hours was he on the road for? Did he get enough sleep the night before? Clearly, he's overtired, shouldn't be driving, and the video is crucial in help proving the driver's negligence. Trucking accident cases, they're very complex, and the battle starts on day one. If your lawyer is treating the case like a regular car accident, chances are your case is doomed from the start. If you or someone you love is dealing with this right now, you don't have to go through this alone. Please give me a call and I can help you get through the steps with this difficult situation.